Hi, I'm Helen and I run strength and balance classes in Chichester, West Sussex. Today I'm going to demonstrate an exercise for you. It is called various things. You might know it's the box balance or bird dog. Some call it Superman. It does require being able to kneel on the floor, getting down to the floor safely and back up. I'm not really going to talk you through that. In one of my earlier emails I did send you some really good links to how to get up and down from the floor and how to practice that as well. If you need them again, then please let me know and I will resend them. Okay, so I call this exercise bird dog. It's a great exercise to help improve our stability and our core stability. So we're going to get down to the ground and I will show you what you need to do. So getting down to the ground, have a chair, have it against a wall, something, so you know it's not going to go anywhere. Leg, strongest leg, okay, strongest leg comes forward, back heel comes up, grab the chair with both hands and just slowly lower the back knee. Unhook the back foot, bring the other knee down to join it, and then you can bring your hands down to the floor and just pause a moment to get your breath and make sure you don't feel dizzy from going up to down. I'm just going to move my chair out of the way now. Okay, so we start this exercise on all fours. I want you to make sure your wrists are beneath your shoulders and that your knees are beneath your hips. So there'll probably be a little bit of space between your knees. I'm going to just show you the exercise and then I'll talk you through it. Okay, so what we're doing is we are pushing our front hand forward and pushing our back foot, the opposing back foot back, and then just lifting them slightly off the ground before coming back down and bringing them back in again. Okay, for this one, when we're doing this exercise, I want you to keep a nice neutral back. So at no point do we kind of arch up in this one. We keep a nice neutral flat back. We use our stomach muscles a little bit, so we squeeze in our stomach muscles. Not too tightly, I don't want to clench, just a little bit of a contraction in those stomach muscles. Taking it back and up a few inches, back down, in. If it feels too much, you can start with one limb at a time. So set that up, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Just take one hand out in front and up, and then down, and then the other. And then do the legs one at a time. So scrape that toe back. And just bring that foot off the foot. Can you see just a little bit off the ground and back down, and then the other side, scrape it back, bring it up, take it down, bring it in. Lovely. So that's the regression if you don't want to do the arm and the leg at the same time. Fantastic. Okay, so that's a great one to practice. It's really going to work. Well, it works a lot of the body actually, but it's mainly focused on the core. But lots of mobility and flexibility needed there as well. The important thing to do is you don't arch your back at any point. Okay, so as I've already demonstrated, we don't come up like this. We keep everything nice and low key in that straight line and back and down. Fantastic. Getting back up, you can crawl over to the chair. I'm going to drag the chair over to me. Right, coming back, one hand, both hands on. Again, identify your strongest leg, bring it forward, foot flat on the floor. hook that back toe underneath, push through that front heel and those hands coming up, bring the foot in, and then slowly just walk yourself up, and then just give yourself a minute just to let your body adjust from being floor up to standing so you don't feel dizzy or faint. Lovely. And that's the bird dog. So you can kind of try that if you're doing another one of those workouts and you think, oh, I've got a few more minutes spare. Get down on the floor and try that exercise and let me know what you think.